In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin Gemini in Chrome. If your Chrome toolbar is feeling a little crowded and you want a cleaner look, unpinning an extension is a quick way to keep it installed but hide the icon. You'll still be able to use Gemini whenever you need it. Its button just won't stay on the toolbar. First, open Gemini in Chrome. If the Gemini icon is currently pinned on your toolbar, go ahead and click it, so Gemini is open and active. This simply confirms you're working with the correct extension and helps you spot it easily in the next step. You don't need to change any settings inside Gemini. Just make sure you're in a Chrome window where Gemini is available. Now move to the top right area of your Chrome window and click the extensions icon. It looks like a small puzzle piece. This opens a menu that lists your installed extensions, including any that are pinned or unpinned. If you don't immediately see the puzzle piece, try maximizing your browser window or increasing its width so the toolbar items are visible. On smaller screens, Chrome can tuck icons away when there isn't enough space. In the Extensions menu, find Gemini in the list. Next to Gemini, you'll see a small pin icon. When the pin is solid or filled, that means the extension is currently pinned to your toolbar. Click the pin once to unpin it. You'll notice the pin changes to an outline, and the Gemini icon will disappear from the toolbar. That's exactly what we want. You haven't removed or disabled anything, you've simply hidden the shortcut. If you ever want to use Gemini after unpinning, just click the extensions puzzle icon again and select Gemini from the list. It will open right away, and if you change your mind and want Gemini back on the toolbar, return to the same extensions menu and click the pin next to Gemini to pin it again. A couple quick tips before we wrap up. If you're using multiple Chrome profiles, make sure you're in the profile where Gemini is installed. You can check your profile by clicking your avatar at the top right. And if your toolbar looks different, don't worry. Chrome updates can change small visual details, but the puzzle icon and pin toggle work the same way. That's it. Open Gemini, click the extensions icon at the top of your screen, find Gemini in the list, and click the pin to unpin. Simple, fast, and your toolbar is instantly cleaner while keeping Gemini ready when you need it.